nation natin. Thank you very much for coming tonight. I know a lot of you come from other places and we really appreciate you coming out here. Thank you. We missed you.
Alam nyo, ang linya namin dito ngayon, sasabihin namin 43 years na kaming hindi nagkikita at maraming...
Hindi naman, 43 years since our first
Yes, natin pala.
Sila.
Kayo po kasama po namin 43 years ago, tama ba? Mga nanood ng Heart. Pero feeling ko parang mga 10 years ago pa lang.
81 eh.
Kasi tulang tayo nun.
81 sila.
2 years old, ikaw sa
Kasi akala ko tulang tayo na naging 3. Sana naging 4,
Kami ano doon,
5,
may anak.
6.
Oo, 20.
Anyway, tapos ano nangyari since
Well, nag-umpisa tayong lahat
Nag-graduate. 79 ako.
Lahat dahil sa Dear Heart.
80.
Sino mga Dear Heart babies?
with us? Diba, do you remember where you were, how you felt, where you watched Dear Heart?
Buwang-buwang sa buhay.
Yeah, we also.
Well, ngayon lang namin sasabihin on stage, so well, at least ako, no? Alam ko lahat ng audience natin ngayon is part of that time, that era, nung gumawa tayo ng Dear Heart. Diba, Dear Heart? So, ganun, lahat po kayo dito ngayon ay magkasama tayo. Lumaki tayo, yun ang sigurong unang pelikulang napanood ninyo. At yung mga iba siguro nagpunta na dito sa Amerika at hindi na nakita yung Dear Heart. Sino sa inyo po ang nagpunta na dito at hindi nyo nakita yung
Nakita sa tape.
1981? Yung mga may Betamax pa.
VHS, VCR.
Yan, ganun kasi nung araw, di ba? Para makapanood ka, dapat Betamax, di ba? Pero,
Ngayon, YouTube na lang.
yeah, pero yung mga ibang lalaki dito, Betamax din ang...
Parang iba naman yun, iba naman yun.
Oh, yan, yan.
Parang katawan ko lang din.
Yung mga VCR, pwede na yung mga iba. I-upgrade sila. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming tonight. We are very honored to have you here. Yes, and it's actually our honor to be here because this theater, hindi lang tayo naka-perform, pero ang dami nagpa-perform dito.
The one that opened this historic theater was none other than Barbra Streisand.
Yeah, and
And then Elvis Presley. And last night, I watched Barry Manilow right here. I was seated there, just in front of the console.
Kita nga namin, pinost mo eh, di ba? Hinihintay ko yung picture niya ni Barry.
Nandun na. Pinost niya sa page niya, niya-post. Na-touch mo ako. Kasi niya ako, sabi ko, can I hug you? Tapos in-embrace ko, because when I was a little girl, my brother and I would listen to his, long playing albums in our music room. Straight from school. So I know all his songs, even the obscure ones.
Was that before the times of Dear Heart? So,
Yes.
I Love You.
Before. Tapos 1975 siya, I was 9.
Buti na lang, naunahan kita. Naunahan ko siya.
Bakit?
Oo, di ba?
Si Barry?
Oo, sabi ko, di ba, sinulat sa kasulatan tayo ang ending is P.S. I love you. Di ba? Sige.
Oo,
Kaya tinanong mo pa nga sa akin, di ba?
Anong sabi ko?
Dapat bakit ang mahalin?
Sabi ko, sinagot ko naman.
Oo, anong sagot mo?
Dapat naman.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi ko naman alam, mapapahamak tayong dalawa na. Naniwala ako sa lahat na.
Ang maganda ay nandito tayo ngayon at binabalikan natin, o at least nabalikan natin ang nakaraan. At kinalimutan natin yan.
Kinalimutan natin?
Mag-umpisa tayo ng mga bago ngayon kasi kasama natin sila lahat.
New memories. We'll make new memories with you guys tonight. That's what we want to do tonight for you, right?
Ibalik natin ang nakaraan sa pamamagitan ng
Mga just for you.
Naku, pag di nyo na ako na...
Over here, over here, over here, over here! I didn't get over here.
Okay na, okay. Picture. Natin gagawin natin yung Are you having fun? Let's be having tonight. Anong sasabihin mo sa akin? Anong sasabihin?
Sa bawat kata, alam ba nila
Ito na yan. ang pag-ibig mo'y nadarama. Binigyan ng tinda. Okay.
Halo-halo. Si Cret yung producer. Si Chris ba? Yung ang layo. Anyway,
Ano siya, oh. Maraming salamat sa GMA Pinoy TV for
Yes.
promoting. Yes,
thank you
GMA.
to my home, the Filipino channel, ABS-CBN TFC. Sa November 28 po, I hope you have a Prime subscription, yung Amazon Prime po. Please abangan niyo po November 28, my latest teleserye with Julia Montes,
Ano rin
Saving
natin yan?
Grace. Yan, it's gonna stream sa mapapanood niyo po sa Prime. And I wanna thank my lawyers, Attorney Lourdes Tancinco, and the Lewis Law Group also. Thank you so much to you.
Yes, I'd also like to thank my lawyer, attorney Alex, who's here tonight. Are you here tonight, Alex? And by the way, nabanggit mo si Julia Montes. Di ba Montes ako?
It's not her real last name.
That's not her real name. That's
It's
just
not.
her screen name. Oh.
She's
Tinanong
my
ko
baby
siya,
girl.
Sabi ko, Montes ka ba? Ay, hindi. Ano,
German yun eh.
Yes.
Yung anak kong yun.
Sayang, meron sana akong
Connection, di ba?
Oo.
Anyway, we also
Wala.
want to say a big thank you to Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, always our
Thank
official
you, Philippine
airline.
Airlines.
Thank
And of
you,
course,
NY.
Nancy Yan.
NY Entourage Productions, we love
bringing
you.
us here.
Peachy Mariana for my hair, and Jeffy Aramin for my, Peachy for my makeup and Jeffrey Aramin for my hair. Thank you.